Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin, D Shandupi Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I'm going to unbox my Macy's beauty box for August 2018. As usual, I will leave all the information about Macy's beauty box down below in the description box. Let's get started. Now, all I did was just slit open this box. I don't know anything that's in it, but I do know this, that I got this box fairly early, and I do appreciate that. And the last few boxes that we've gotten from Macy's have been top notch. I've loved them. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. This right here is the pamphlet that we get from Macy's Beauty Box every month. It tells you everything that is inside of here. We always get a $5 coupon that looks like this here from Macy's. You can spend that at the anything beauty related on Macy's.com or in the store. So I'm definitely going to use that. Absolutely. And then on the inside, this tells you everything that we received in the box for this month, and it tells you prices as well. So I'm going to refer to this as I am talking about everything that I pull out of the bag. So Macy's beauty box always comes wrapped in this pink paper like this, in the tissue. And there's something else in here. Let me put the box down right quick. Okay, so this here is the actual bag. And as you can see, this is a clear bag. I like bags like this that are like vinyl or clear, because you can take these bags with you to the beach or, to the pool, and they won't get wet. They're waterproof. So I like this. And I'm not sure if you can tell, and I'm going to take it out of the bag in a minute, but it's colorful. As I'm shifting in the light, it changes color from green to yellow and from purple to pink. Let's just take it out of here if I can and see what it looks like. My dog thinks it's a treat. He perked up when he heard this bag and his tail is wagging. I can see him down there now. So funny. So again, this is what the bag looks like, as you can see, and you can probably see my dog's nose down there. And it says eye cream, face spray, and lipstick. This is nice, and it does have a zipper. So, yep, and it's big. What I like about these bags too is that they are big enough that you can fit a lot of things in there. So yeah, this is beautiful. All right, so let's see what we got going on in this pink paper. Alrighty, we have, no wonder they said face spray on here. Alright, first things first, I got a sample of the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, which is oil-free, paraben-free, temperature-controlled technology. I think a lot of people have tried this. This is a very good setting spray, the All-Nighter from Urban Decay. This is nice. And as I'm opening this up, this is worth $32 for the full size. And it will help save your makeup for 16 hours. There's something else in here too. This was wrapped inside of here as well. And I'm going to get to what this is in a second. But yeah, the setting spray, I can't get it out of here. But it is housed inside of here. Right there is the setting spray. But I can't get it out of the cardboard without ripping it. But I will show you the inside of the cardboard though. That looks like that. And it looks like that there. And if I haven't shown you the back, here's the back. Alright, so like I said, these two were inside of here. And I have, I got Weave from Juicy Couture. This is a perfume. Smells good. The bottle looks really pretty. This is what it looks like. Weave from Juicy Couture. I like Juicy Couture's perfume. I love Smell Good's perfumes. Look at that bottle. Nice, gorgeous. And that's the other side there. And this is this here. Now this right here will run you, depending on the size. The roller ball is $25, 1.7 ounces $85, and 3.4 ounces is $105. And this scent has notes of watermelon, pear, and jasmine. I would spray this, but I have some perfume on already. But I can definitely smell, I can smell the jasmine in there. It smells very fresh and clean. So this is nice. Very nice. If you're into perfume, that's awesome. Speaking, and here's some more perfume. This is from Lancome. Is this a perfume? Nope, it's not a perfume. This is a lip lacquer from Lancome, which looks like that. And this is worth $26. And I think the color I have is Be Unique. Here's the other side of that there, in case you're wondering. Let's see if I can open this up without ripping it. Can I? Or do I have to rip it? It looks like I have to rip it, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay, so it comes in several colors, 30 shades. That's what that looks like. It looks like a perfume. And I will take this out. Come on out. Come on out. This is like a reddish, pinkish color. The lighting is horrible. And y'all know I don't do swatches. But there you go. That's what it looks like. It looks like from outside it looks like a pinky coral color. Very pretty though. Very pretty. So I'm happy to get this. I hate I had to rip the packaging, but I had to get in there. Next thing I have is from Origins. This is the Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask to purify and nourish. And this is what that looks like there. And this is worth $34. So this is a face mask. And you guys know I like masks. Come on and open. Let's see what you smell like. Ooh. Ooh, it smells pretty good. It smells earthy. And see, I don't mind that earthy smell. But it's not too overpowering and bad. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. See that? It's kind of whipped. That's nice. I might use this tonight. I like this. And you said you use this once a week. It opens the pores. Yeah, this is nice. Very nice. All right, let me keep going. I'm intrigued by the face mask right now. That's probably like my favorite thing. At first, I was intrigued by the setting spray, which I'm happy to get, but that mask just made me made it more interesting. All right, from It Cosmetics, we have the Confidence in an Eye Cream. It brightens, repairs, and transforms. I love getting eye treatment products, and It Cosmetics is a very good brand. That's what that looks like. That's what it looks like on the other side as well. And this right here is worth $38. And you apply this in the morning and night, pat it around your eyes, you know, to reduce puffiness and to brighten the eyes. So this is nice. And then the last thing I have is a face mask. You know I love sheet masks. This is from Master Lab. This is the Intensive Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Mask from Tony Moly. And this is what this looks like. And you've heard me say on this channel before, any mask, sheet mask that is, that says hydrating on it, I love, because my skin is dry, my face is like normal to dry. So anything that says moisturizing or hydrating, I am here for it. So that, my friends, is everything in my Macy's Beauty Box for August 2018. Let's recap, shall we? From Tony Moly, I have this sheet mask that's hydrating with hyaluronic acid in it, which is amazingly awesome. Oh, it won't, all these things won't fit in the bag. That's why the baggie was on the outside. Got it. It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. Can't wait to use that. From Lancome, I got this La Boussole Lacquer. My French is bad. I'm so sorry. But I got that there, which I cannot wait to use. I also got this Origins Clear Improvement honey mask, charcoal honey mask, which I'm very intrigued by right now. face skincare intrigues me, and I'm intrigued by this. I can't wait, excuse me, to use this. And then I got this weave from Juicy Couture. This must be a new fragrance. I cannot wait to try this out. If I can find this on Scentbird, I'm gonna get it, cause yeah, I love Juicy Couture. They're one of my favorites. And then last but not least, I got the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Spray in a travel size. I'm not mad at it. And that's awesome. That's everything, my friends, that I got in my Macy's Beauty Box for August 2018. There's the pamphlet one more time for you. And here's that bag one more time for you. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Do you get Macy's Beauty Box? If you do, let me know what you got. Leave it down below. Have you used any of these products that I just shown you? Let's have a talk about it, all right? Leave it down below. Let me know what you think. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that, because when I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. I will let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나